Hey everybody, it's Alice here at Waterside Wellness, and I am so excited for you to be scheduling a Revelation Breathwork session. Whether it be here in the studio or at your house or at your workplace, wherever it is, again, I am so excited for you to be able to experience this amazing somatic experience. So today I'm going to be talking about what Revelation Breathwork is, teach you the technique, and then also go over common sensations that you might experience, and then kind of what to expect in a session with me. So Revelation Breathwork is a somatic experience. So it's really getting out of our minds, back into our bodies, and using the breath to do it. And it's also paired with a curated playlist based on what you're going through in your life. So it could be, life's ups and downs, or it can be even a specific event that we can tailor this playlist around. So what does a Revelation Breathwork session really look like? So you'll come in and we'll do a grounding meditation. We'll kind of get you here in the present moment, and then we'll talk about what's happening in your life, kind of helping you prep the pump for breathing. It helps you set an intention because this work is all intention based. So we talk about what's happening, we kind of get to know each other, and then we set an intention of how you want to show up, what you'd like to embody, or even what you'd like to release. So after we set the intention, I'm going to then invite you to lay down, and I have an eye mask for your eyes. I also have pillows and blankets to keep you comfortable. And then we're going to get into the active breathing portion. And this is roughly between 30 to 32 minutes of active breathing paired with that curated playlist with songs that are upbeat and positive, that will help release those emotions and feelings and that stagnant energy. They'll start slow, and then that momentum will start to build, so your energy and your breathing will start to build, and you can get faster if you need to. And then there's going to be, at the middle of the playlist, I'm going to invite you to let out a big scream, or let out a big sigh, or a big noise for that sense of release, that sense of freedom, surrendering up and out, whatever you're ready to release. And then afterwards, there's one more active breathing song, and then there is the rest and receive portion. And this is between, 2 songs, anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes of just resting and receiving, feeling your heart open and breathing normally in and out through your nose, like Shavasana in yoga. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the breath technique, and it is, again, in and out through the mouth, belly, chest, exhale. So you're going to be lying down here, you're going to be having your eyes closed, you might have an eye mask, whatever is comfortable for you. And you can even put your hand on your heart and your hand on your belly to kind of form that connection, just to make that integration easier. And again, it is in and out through the mouth, belly, chest, exhale. So it looks like this: belly, chest, exhale. Now it is about 80 to 85% in your belly, 15 to 20% in your chest, and it is just a let go. It's not like a forceful push, and it's not like a long, slow, drawn out sigh with all the emptying of your oxygen. Again, it is belly, chest, exhale, about 15 to 20% in your chest, 80 to 85% in your belly. Again, it looks like this. Again, it does not sound like this with a forceful push in and out through the mouth. That is too forceful. It also does not sound like this with the full emptying out of all the oxygen like you kind of do in meditation. It does not sound like this. It's just a simple let go, in and out through the mouth. And as I said, there is a time and a place in the beginning or in the middle of the playlist where the momentum is building, the energy is building, the beat is faster, the rhythm is faster. There is a chance for you to go faster. So you can build up your breathing and go a little bit faster. So it could sound a little bit like this and look like this. So you're going at the pace that you feel comfortable with your body, going at like this. So belly, chest, exhale. So again, you want to do what's comfortable for your body. You're going to listening to your body. So if you're feeling like you're ready to go, you're ready to release some shit, then go for it. Let it out. But if you're not comfortable with it and you kind of just want to go with the pace that you're going and it's belly, chest, exhale, again, you want to feel comfortable and you want to feel like you're in control. That is completely fine. You have the power to control the experience because you are the one that's breathing. I'm not doing anything. I'm just here to guide you, holding space for you for whatever experience you have. So now that you know how to do the breath technique, we could also practice when you get here into the studio or wherever we're meeting so you feel more comfortable doing it. So now with this breath technique, there are some common sensations. Again, these are all to safe degrees, but what you can experience. First one is you're moving that energy in and out through your mouth, so dry mouths can sometimes happen. So you can just close your mouth, bring saliva into your throat. The second thing is you can feel tingling. You can feel tingling in your fingers, you can feel tingling in your hands, in your face, in your body. Again, you're moving that energy, and that'll go away, and this is all to safe degrees. So another common sensation is lightheadedness. Again, you're breathing in and out through your mouth, you're moving that energy, and you're laying down. So sometimes you feel a little lightheaded, and that's completely normal. It's temporary, it goes away. So another common sensation that you could experience is cramping, and this happens because the imbalance of CO2 and oxygen in your blood. As you're breathing in and out through your mouth, you're releasing more CO2, and the smooth muscles constrict. You happen to look down and you have lobster claws, or you feel like your face is going like this, or you feel like you're stuck to the ground. This is the smooth muscles constricting and kind of tightening up and making this sort of lobster claw. Again, these are all to safe degrees. Another common sensation is to feel cold or hot because you are moving that energy. Your body is, moving CO2 and oxygen, so there's a tendency to sometimes feel cold because you're moving that energy and your body is hyping up and you're, in the zone, or your body starts to, shake or be cold, and that's okay. I have blankets here. I also can invite you to shake, to wiggle, to kind of move that energy, to release it. So those are the few common sensations that you can experience with this breath work, knowing that these are all to safe degrees and will level out during the rest portion. So after the rest and receive portion, after we're done with the breathing, I'll bring you back into the space, go over a few things that you can do to integrate. It is best to drink plenty of water throughout the day, or kind of really ground yourself. Do anything that is grounding to you. Getting out in nature. You could also take a shower to cleanse off any of the excess energy that you released. That also helps. You could also journal any insights or any messages or any guidance that you received in this session. So again, it is doing whatever is most comfortable for you and knowing that you have the power and you are the one doing the work. And you're so worth it. You are so worth making the time and the effort to commit to yourself in such a beautiful way. Again, I am just here to hold space for you for whatever experience you have. I'm here as a facilitator to guide you into healing, expansion, playfulness, whatever you're going to experience. I am so excited. I will see you soon.